First Warning Weather with meteorologist Tommy House.
Mostly cloudy skies continue to persist through central Texas. Not much rain being picked up. Looking at clouds and radar here. A light shower or sprinkle can't be ruled out. I'm keeping a 10% rain chance for now. Clouds and radar walking you through the rest of the evening hours. Dry line could fire up a few downpours way out toward the hill country by around 8, 9, 10 o'clock tonight. That will scatter off, but we could still see some cloud cover kicking off your day tomorrow at 5 a.m. Storm Prediction Center has non-severe for Gillespie, Llano, Lampasas, San Saba, and Mason. Level 1 out of 5 way farther out west. Level 2 out of 5 in San Angelo. So you could see that's not really a big impact for us here in Austin. Stepping outside, 85 degrees right now. Winds out of the southeast at 5 to 10 miles per hour. Humidity at 55%. Tomorrow's high temperatures, it's upper 80s and low 90s across the board. 88 in Austin, 89 in Georgetown, 90 in Bastrop, 89 in Lockhart and San Marcos, and 89 out in Mason County. Big picture right now, clouds and radar. There's the dry line from Oklahoma all the way down to southwestern Texas, firing up a few severe thunderstorms at the moment out there. Zooming on in, not really too many impacts here locally, and then farther up north into Dallas, they could be seeing in northern Texas some severe weather later on tonight. Rain chance is at 10% tomorrow in central Texas, picking up to 80% on Wednesday. Wednesday into Wednesday afternoon, we're really going to be watching for some severe weather as well as some localized flooding, but we're going to keep that 40% scattered showers and storms through the rest of the work week to close out April and start May. Here's the flood threat for Wednesday. Level 1 out of 4 from Lee County to Austin, farther out west toward Gillespie, Mason, south to Caldwell and Hayes. The exception is LaGrange and Fayette County. Then a level 2 out of 4 for portions of Burnett, Lampasas, Williamson, and Milam County. Could be talking about some very heavy rain and some quick bursts of thunderstorms throughout the day on Wednesday itself. Here's clouds and radar walking you through around 8:45, 9, 10 o'clock on Wednesday. On and off brief showers and perhaps a rumble of thunder or two toward the afternoon and evening commute. But notice it's not going to be completely widespread through the entirety of the day. Could be dry and even a little bit of sunshine for an hour or two. And then another storm will continue to move its way through. So just stay weather aware through the rest of the next few days. I think tomorrow is going to be probably the calmest in terms of rain coverage here. But big picture Wednesday through next weekend, that's when our storms will continue to persist. Now 1 to 2 inches of beneficial rain on the way from Austin farther up north on I-35 and south of Austin towards San Antonio, 1/4 inch to 1 inch. And I do anticipate probably the higher end of this range, closer to 1 inch widespread for everyone. And then north of Austin, closer to about 2 inches when it's all said and done through the next 7 days, so that's going to be next Monday. Here's a KXAN First Warning Weather 7-day forecast. Upper 80s, maybe even a few isolated 90s tomorrow. Then more widespread cloud cover and storms will continue to provide a little bit of disruption to some afternoon and evening plans for Wednesday. And then download the KXAN First Warning Weather app because we have a radar on there that will show you lightning strikes. We also have severe weather alerts that are personalized to your location. And I manually update each hour by hour so you know it's going to be certified here with our team of meteorologists. Again, that's the KXAN First Warning Weather app.